Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Let's check in on NEO. NEO, we finally got the bigger pullback. Hope everybody, even if you don't trade them, watches the other videos because you'll still learn things that apply. A lot of these cryptos actually trade in unison, so when we see bigger pullbacks or when we get divergences on some warning, something that we could be getting a bigger pullback, it might apply to one new trade even. So if let's say you don't trade Bitcoin but just trade NEO, you should probably watch the Bitcoin ones. You know, they don't take very long. We try to keep them very short because you can, the same techniques, the same principles, a lot of times you can look for it in your crypto, even if we don't post it that day, and then sort of figure out how to do the analysis based off what we're watching for. Poking above our 83.72 level and then pulling back nicely to 37.5, and we'll switch over to daily. That was also some prior support over here. See that? Now we're back above the 25% level. The rotation zone crossed against us. Now, if we get a crossover again, that just means it's called a double cross pattern, which means we had the correction on the higher time frame. What I'm going to be watching for now is a nice move up, then a catch if this crosses again back on the first cross rotation zone, or get the first cross back positive, and then that's going to be a nice entry. We're going to update some of these levels to see what we're looking at here. So I'm just going to do a full update for everyone off this major high now, because that's going to overrule everything else. So we're looking at minor level 87.60, major 89.80 and 90.30, and then 94.70. If we don't hold here and rotate back down, again, first level support is going to be this right around the $70 mark. And then if we break through there, we'll be watching for a return to about 65.25. Let's switch over to that daily chart now. So you see, look at this, really nice. You have the bottom of the rotation zone coming in with the 37.5% retracement, and that's where we recovered to. Also want to see us get above the 8. We'd like to see a rally, a nice little pullback on that 4-hour rotation zone, then a nice push back up. Very strong entry pattern. Again, if this doesn't hold, watch for the 65.25. We had some prior support very close to that area. You'll notice also how we're making higher highs in price action, and then we were drifting lower in the RSI. Classic divergence. We did get the bigger pullback. Let's see if this bigger pullback and these levels hold and we get the nice firm rotation back up. Switching over to NEM. NEM punching through the 0.4449 level and then dropping back down pretty strong, finding the support again at the 37.5 retracement level. Rotation zone also crossing against us, very similar to NEO with the pattern. So what are we going to be watching for? We're going to be watching for rotation back up, especially this back to the 12.5% level, and then a pullback. We again get another cross and a catch on that rotation and a rotation back up. Here's another example where you can also do a reverse scan box since we had the bigger correction. Let me get this on. So we have here going backwards in time, which gives us other levels to project higher. So again, this minor level would be 0.4688, major cluster area 0.4814 to 0.4859, and then the next major level above that 0.5155. If we don't hold here again at the 37.5 where we found some support before, then watch again for the return to the 50% level, 0.331858. Let's switch over to daily chart on this also. So you see this catching right before the bottom of the rotation zone, but at the rising 50 and this 37.5% retracement. We did talk about that, and there was prior resistance becoming support. So you had resistance here, support here, finding support again, just using pure price action. So again, it's back above the 8. Like to see a rally, then a pullback to the first cross on the rotation zone, then a firm push higher. You can also see the divergence setting up here, higher highs in price action, losing momentum, and then we got the bigger pullback. That's what we have for you in NEM and NEO, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Again, thanks to all subscribers. Bye for now.